My name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with yourwangdu.com. I would like to show you how to make basic Tibetan soup. Normally we use this soup with the shapale or momo. Sometimes we use with the thukpa gyathuk. I'm cooking for 2 people. Those are the ingredients. I'm using beef chuck ribs. You can use any bony meat for the soup, so I just use this today. And also you need green onion or cilantro, doesn't matter, either way you can use. I'm using beef bouillon. Also I'm using Emma, which is Szechuan pepper. I'm using soy sauce. Now I'm cutting the meat. So basically you don't have to make small piece. I'm just gonna leave just 4 pieces. Each has 2 ribs kind of thing. So this should do it. Now I'm gonna cook the soup. First I'm gonna put the meat in the pot. I'm using kind of deepish pot. I'm in a pressure cooker. So you can use kind of deep pot because I wanna cook long time. And I'm gonna put the Emma. Quarter teaspoon of Emma. Normally I grounded the Emma, but when I make this kind of soup, I don't ground the Emma. And I'm gonna put the bouillon, 1 teaspoon of a bouillon. That gives you the flavor. Now I'm gonna put the soy sauce. I'm using 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to put 5 cups of water. First time I'm going to turn on the heat really high, then until boil the soup. And then I'm going to turn down really low to simmer about 2 hours. Normally Tibetans cook all day. They say, if you cook the longer, soup gets better. So I'm gonna just cook in 2 hours. Also, you can cook this like maybe if you are really in a hurry, you can do like 30 to 40 minutes. I'm gonna keep like this 2 more hours. This is the final result of basic Tibetan soup. So normally we eat with the shapale or momo. Also we eat with the other all kinds of bread. So I'm gonna taste now. It's pretty good. Tibetans love this soup, so I hope other people like it too. Please let us know what you think.